Dance with me, like we did in the old days, when my childish wonder sang lullaby lies of what was to be, the time when I was just beginning, when a dream could be made of a wave in the sea. Hold me close, as you did when time bruised me, and your kiss on my forehead could undoubtedly take away the pain. Those moments when I was simply enough, and my potential had not yet begun to wane. Sing to me, as often you did, a bedtime song meant only for that little girl, when the dangers of hoping were unknown to me, and the present was my whole world. Sit with me, and tell me stories of happy girls who have yet to venture far from home. Draw me back from my destiny to that beautiful time when my mind was filled with peace and my heart was not